It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 30th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up in the short term. Little light rain later this week and a pretty decent rain event before the weekend arrives. Let's talk it over. Water vapor satellite view. Long wave trough lifting out of the eastern U.S. That brought down some pretty cool air today. We started off the day well below freezing in most spots. Most locations are in the 50s. This afternoon, although Tuscaloosa is warm to 62. And if you work your way on to the west, it's 69 at Jackson, 76 in Shreveport. And we're expecting highs well up in the 60s tomorrow and Wednesday. Around the nation, very cold in the northeast and around the Great Lakes, cold back in the northwest, but you can see that tongue of mild air coming up across the plains, and we will enjoy that for the next 2 days. Up on the watch warning map, things are quiet here. That's a freeze advisory down in parts of Florida. Winter weather advisories for parts of the Great Lakes down into Pennsylvania. And winter storm warnings for parts of Montana and Idaho. Here's the day one convective outlook. Needless to say, we're not going to worry about severe weather or any thunder across the country today. And this is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday of next week. Rain amounts about 1 inch for the northern third of the state, lighter amounts down to the south. And the bigger rain event most likely comes over the weekend, mainly on Sunday, but we could see some light rain before the week is over. So here we go. Model fans, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Troughing over the northeastern states, and for us, a very nice day. Tonight, not as cold as last night. We should stay above freezing. The low should be in the 40s, the high tomorrow in the 60s, with a good supply of sunshine. Very nice. Wednesday, again, we'll call it partly sunny, and the high will be in the 60s. And this is Thursday, a little cold front approaching from the north, and that could kick off a few scattered rain showers. I don't think it rains much at all, and here's a look at the NAM Thursday at noon. And again, evidence of some patchy light rain. So again, possibly a few rain showers on Thursday, nothing widespread. Highs will drop to about 60. And then on Friday, that surface boundary is kind of hanging around the northern third of the state. We'll need to mention a chance of light rain at times on Friday. And there's probably going to be a very sharp thermal gradient here. Check out the anomalies on Friday. Now, this is the GFS. It's suggesting a pretty good chunk of the state will be in comfortable mild air with 60s. But you look at the European, it shows the colder air deeper into the state. And I think that's probably the right solution. I would say for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, highs will be in the 50s on Friday, but up in the Tennessee Valley, they could stay in the 40s all day. And again, cloudy, a chance of some light rain at times. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. I would say the sky will stay mostly cloudy, and I would still mention a chance of showers on Saturday. It's not going to rain all day. This is suggesting maybe the most widespread rain west of the state, but clearly some risk of light rain at times. But the big rain over the weekend will come on Sunday. A deep surface low at Cincinnati with the trailing cold front down through here with good upper support, a deep upper trough supporting that. So for the weekend, maybe a few showers on Saturday, a good chance of rain on Sunday. And highs for the weekend should be in the low to mid 50s, which is where we should be in early February. Then Monday of next week, that trough that brought the cold front lifting out, and we're cool and dry. I'd say 50s during the day, 30s Monday morning. Very seasonal. This is Tuesday night of next week, the 7th, the night of the 7th, and this is showing a pretty good surface low coming out of the northeastern Gulf, and we have seen varying solutions with this. Other runs have put Alabama in a big rain shield. This kind of keeps us on the edge of that. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Thursday of next week, the 9th, the deep trough through here, and that looks pretty cold and maybe unsettled. This is suggesting maybe some snow for Arkansas, Missouri, with some rain down around the Arklatex, but that's a fairly cool look there for toward the end of next week. Check the numbers coming in off the European ensemble. And again, you can see we warm up into the 60s tomorrow and Wednesday, then we cool back down for Thursday and especially on Friday. And after that, temperatures are looking rather seasonal, pretty close to average values for February at this point. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.